combat medic.
To perform all my duties as combat medic.
To the best of my abilities.
To the best of my abilities.
That I will remain technically and tactically proficient.
That I will remain technically and tactically proficient.
That I will use the Army values.
That I will use the Army values.
To challenge the tough decisions.
To challenge the tough decisions.
And I will order to fulfill all my duties.
And I will order to fulfill all my duties.
To accomplish my ultimate mission.
To accomplish my ultimate mission.
To conserve our fighting strength.
To conserve our fighting strength.
So help me God.
So help me God.
This concludes today's ceremony. Thank you all for your attendance. Families, you are now free to enjoy the rest of the afternoon with your soldier medic. Please keep in mind that your soldiers are still required to follow all policies and regulations they have been under since arriving to Fort Sam Houston. Tusker medics, your next formation will be at 2000 or 8 p.m. in PT's for accountability and in preparation for tomorrow's graduation ceremony. Echo Company cadre will be in the area to answer any questions. Please be safe and enjoy the time with your soldier. We will see you all at graduation tomorrow. Soldier Medic, Warrior Spirit. Take seats, soldier.